Hello kitchen technicians, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making spaghetti bolognese. Never mind the name, it's a very simple recipe. You will love it, I assure you. Now do take a second to subscribe. Come along with me and see what I'm talking about. To make our spaghetti bolognese, we will need 2 cups minced meat, 1 full onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup grated carrot, quarter cup coconut oil, a quarter cup vegetable oil, 3 teaspoons of tomato paste, salt, half cup chopped spring onions, ginger with spices paste, cheese, powdered red chili pepper, 2.5 cups crushed tomatoes, not forgetting our 450 grams of spaghetti. We will also need 1 teaspoon of parsley, a half teaspoon of mixed spice and seasoning. We will begin this wonderful but tasty meal by first chopping our onions. Also chop our garlic and set them aside. Let's now go ahead and grate our carrots. The grating will help release all the tasty juices of the carrots into the sauce. Now let's get right to making our bolognese sauce. It's very simple, you'll see. Let's set our skillet on our heat and get our coconut and vegetable oil heated. We will now proceed to pour in our onions. We will saute this for a while and add our chopped garlic to it. Leave this on heat for 3 minutes and stir intermittently. Next is our carrots. We will pour this in and stir from time to time. Let this cook until we are sure the carrots are cooked. Remember, we want to get its unique flavors into our bolognese sauce. We will now go ahead and pour in our minced meat and stir very well until we break as much lumps as possible. We will keep stirring all these wonderful ingredients and mixing the delicious flavors together. Now we'll add our ginger paste, which consists of ginger, mustard seeds, half medium-sized green bell pepper, and a little onion. All these are blended to give us the wonderful paste. Now let's add this paste to our mixture and add a pinch of salt. Mix all these by stirring very well for 2 minutes. Now let's add our half teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of powdered red chili pepper. Continue mixing all these together. Let it cook for about 3 minutes. Now goes in our crushed tomatoes. You can make this by using your blender. We do not want the tomatoes very smooth, so after cutting, you should use the pulse button of your blender to crush it. We will immediately follow up with the 3 tablespoonfuls of tomato paste. This is important to enhance the beautiful red color of our bolognese sauce. We will continue to stir all these ingredients together and cover it up so this bolognese sauce will cook and release all the wonderful flavors. After a minute and a half, we will check again and stir. Then we will continue to add 1 teaspoon of parsley and a half teaspoon of mixed spice. We will learn how to make mixed spice soon, don't worry. Stir the sauce for a while. Add your seasoning, stir, and add a not so full cup of water to lighten our thick bolognese sauce. Stir for a little bit and cover it up to cook. Check the sauce after 3 minutes or so and stir. At this point, you can taste and adjust the salt if necessary, like I'm doing. Lastly, we will put in our chopped spring onions. These spring onions are frozen. Yes, you can prep, chop and freeze your spring onion. Click on the link above to watch my video on how to prep and store spring onions. Now we will stir this for a little while to mix well with our bolognese sauce. Go ahead and turn off the heat. Next is to cook our 450 grams of spaghetti. We will put a medium-sized saucepan on our heat, half filled with water. Put in 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil and cover it to boil. When the water boils, we will proceed to put our spaghetti in whole. Spaghetti bolognese is made with the normal length of the spag. It is not broken before use. Slowly push it in the water until it's completely submerged. Cover to cook for about 7 minutes. Check on it and stir after a little while and cover till the 7 minutes is up. Now we will take it off the heat and strain it. We are about to complete our spaghetti bolognese. Yay! Now let's pour our spaghetti into the bolognese sauce like this. We will proceed to mix it together properly until the sauce reaches every part of the spaghetti. This mixing is done off heat. No fire is required for this. The much awaited spaghetti bolognese is done. We will now serve it on a plate like this. It looks so good. You can grate some cheese on it if you like. I can't wait to dig in. My whole family is waiting as well. Make this for a change and they will love you for it, especially the kids. Look at how colorful it looks. Delicious too. Go ahead and dig in.